Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your MyDish account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your MyDish account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address mydish.co.uk and hit on enter. And after that, you'll be directed to the home page of MyDish. So let's wait for it. And over here guys, this is the home page of MyDish, and at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login and the sign up button available for us. In order to sign into our MyDish account, just click on the login first, and over here guys, you'll be required to enter your email address with which you had created an account on MyDish, and after that enter your password. And guys, if you have forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on this button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your account's password. And with that being said guys, after you have entered your email address and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your MyDish account online on your computer. And then guys, this is how you log into your MyDish account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.